30, it's like dog years.
Have you ever played this song before?
A few times.
A lot of people don't know this song has a fiddle part in it.
Yeah.
A lot of fiddle.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll see if I remember the words. Who keeps track of all the words?
You know, the video was filmed right here on the pedestrian bridge.
They're riding
And they had the
horses.
Atlanta Falcons cheerleaders. That was who was here. I don't know why they didn't get the Titans cheerleaders.
Alright guys, here it is. Sing along if you know it.